national dolphin research center at that point.
Since more than last 25 years to save Ganges river dolphin from extinction. Our work went to the common people only with the help of mass media of communication, the print media as well as the electronic media, and I got a lot of support from the media people, and every now and then they were not only publishing our findings, but they were writing about the all actions we are taking to save the dolphins. And we were using the festivals and other occasion to reach people with our team, like Chhath festival, when the millions of people congregated on the river bank. We were floating down in the Ganges with all sorts of banners and handbills and educating the people to save the dolphins. Next step, working for last more than 25 years with my team, I also created other team to work in Brahmaputra, to work in upper reaches of Ganga at Delhi and also in Bhagalpur. But I wanted that there must be some institution to continue research and conservation effort to save this dolphin. And because I thought that maybe after my work, after my life, what will happen to the work on the Ganges dolphin and who will save it? If we have an institution, then it will be very helpful to the future generation to continue research work. Because this animal was given legal protection under Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972, but no efficacy of the act was visualized in the field. So we went to the government officials, the policy makers, chief minister, all ministers, and let them know that this animal needs your help, it needs policy support, it needs institutional support, it needs more funding, because this is a very rare, endangered and charismatic megafauna. It's a natural aquatic heritage of India. And our work has many positive results. The Ganges dolphins are not only surviving in its natural habitat, but gradually population is also increasing. Killing rate, poaching by the fishermen has declined. Government came forward to help us. Our academia, all over the world, the researchers, conservationists, scientists, all were helping, and our concerted efforts has very good positive results. My biggest action was first to stop the killing of the dolphins, for which I went to the fishermen community, educated them, requested them, and created awareness campaign against dolphin killing. At the same time, I also did scientific research on contaminants in the tissues of the dolphins. I conducted continuous surveys, long surveys in the entire length of the Ganges and its most of the tributaries, and all these action has now stopped, the killing of the dolphin, because I provided an alternative of dolphin oil to the fishermen, which was helpful in the oil fishing, and they need not to kill dolphin anymore. Ganges river dolphin has been categorized as endangered by IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature, headquartered at Geneva in Switzerland. And this animal is still under category of endangered because the habitat of the animal is shrinking gradually due to declining flow in the river, and also the river is polluted, so that way the habitat of the dolphin is not in good shape. So after working for last more than 25 years, my aim was to get the animal a status of national aquatic animal, and that was done by Honorable Prime Minister of India on October 5, 2009. The animal was given the status of national aquatic animal of India. After that, my next target was to develop a research center at Patna on the bank of Ganga, so that the younger generation, future generation will continue doing research and conservation efforts to save the dolphins and river together. So I am happy to inform that Planning Commission of India sanctioned National Dolphin Research Center at Patna at the cost of divided by 60. So $5 million. The idea of having a center came to my mind when the animal got the status of national aquatic animal, and since nowhere we had a research center especially for the dolphins or even for rivers. So it came to my mind when Planning Commission Deputy Chair Montek Singh Ahluwalia was in Ganga with us. So I requested him that we should have a center for research and conservation efforts to continue and for future generation. So this center at the cost of $5 million was sanctioned by the Planning Commission of India, and now money has been released. Now we are under process of setting up the National Dolphin Research Center. Yeah, I am very much optimistic, and since Honorable Chief Minister Nitish Kumar is also taking very keen interest in this center, so hopefully within 2 years, next 2 years, the center will come up nicely and we will have very good high-tech laboratory and all other facilities in the center. Yes, this is not exclusively for the freshwater dolphin, though the immediate focus is on Ganga, but it will be on marine dolphins also, and it will be an jurisdiction will be all in the entire Indian territory, and maybe tomorrow the research center may be a global activity. We have global activity, because the academic activity and research activity and the conservation activities will not center only to India or only to Ganga or only to Ganga dolphin, but it will be a global activity, and I am sure the scientists from all over the world will join hand and work together to save the endangered species, especially the whales, dolphins and porpoises. First we will have all facilities, research facilities, and the facilities for other academic activities like training program, some education program, then MPhil and PhD program, and at the same time the field study starting with the Ganga dolphin, not only in Ganga but the entire distribution range. Then we will cover the coastal areas, and later on when we have more manpower, more trained manpower, then we will go to the open sea to work on the marine mammals, especially the cetacean fauna, that is whale, dolphins and porpoises. This is ambitious because as per media report, there is no such research center in the entire Asia, what to talk about only in India. So why not? This is a golden opportunity that we are going to have such center, and God bless. I hope that this center will flourish and will work with the collaboration of scientists from all over the world, and definitely it will be a unique center. I am happy to say that this center is a completely autonomous It is located in Patna University campus, but it will have its own rules, regulations, bylaws, administration, and then it will get funding not only from government but for any part of the world, from donors, for research projects, from consultancy job, and also maybe from industries. So the research center will be completely autonomous, and maybe a time, I hope and wish that a time will come, it will have its own resources, enough resources to continue all its activities. It's nothing like that, but yes, I wish that if this center will continue working like that, definitely everybody remembers and recalls the founder, and I will be remembered as a founder of this center. How many individuals it can sustain? And if population grows like that, because environment is not infinite, people or the particular species in a particular area. So this way we have the population growth, we have the population decline. Suppose for human being, if I want to construct life table, is it possible in my life? No, because life table starts from the birth to end or death of the last individual. This means the best way is to construct a table for an ecology student is a short-lived species. How many babies were born? वहाँ हम शुरू करते हैं एक यूनिट, जैसे मान लेते हैं कि लेट अस से 100 यूजुअली लाइफ टेबल में हम
एकदम सही रहने का है, 5 कदम जाने का है और लगा देने का।
रेडी 1 2
3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 दुश्मनी है, ऑफिस में बताओ।
वो क्या बताइए
5 6 7 8 9 10
10
passed out.
नहीं और पास
Time has passed out. अभी भी नहीं लगा
चल उड़ तो तोरा नहीं खेल बाट मारने भी नहीं खेल ले महंदरू पड़ाओ के नहीं खेल बाट
ले चार को ले लिखी
दूसरा का पार्टी से है
ले ले
ये बाबू का मत फोटो में आते सब हो जाएगा मालिक सब काम के बाद बोलबो नहीं कर रही आवाज इधर सुबह कहाँ
चला ना
बातें बोलेंगे आपकी
is going to measure the river velocity with float method.
किलोमीटर
He is tied a half-filled gallon with a 25-meter long
pH. And what is doing this one?
He is measuring the alkalinity of the water and dissolved oxygen of the river. It should be 5 milligram per liter and above for surface water, to which this river belongs.
खाली लंगरवा उठा ले और कहीं अपन ले लेते कपड़ा
काम खत्म हो गया जो पंकज बैठा हुआ है ना अब सिर्फ उसी का काम है हाँ सबसे ज़्यादा उसके नीचे
He is collecting some plankton samples. Planktons are microscopic organisms floating on the water surface. Motion is dependent on
National dolphin is at center. That point.